If you are sourcing from multiple factories across China, you are probably paying more for shipping than you need to, and you might not even know it. Most importers ship one of two ways, separately or LCL, where every order pays its own booking, customers, and the delivery fees, even if everything is heading to the same destination. Or they place big orders just to fill a container, which solves the shipping cost, but ties up cash in extra inventory they didn't actually need. Neither is ideal. That's where container consolidation comes in. It means combining orders from multiple factories into one full container. So the shipping cost is shared across all the goods, instead of being paid separately for each order. In one recent case, we consolidated orders from 8 different factories into a single 40-feet container and saved about $4,000 in logistic costs on that one shipment alone. Here's how we do it. First, order planning. We confirm each factory's completion date, volume, and the destination port. Second, we designate a connection point. One factory, usually the one with the best location and warehouse, receive goods from all the others. Third, everything ships under one bill of loading and one set of customers' documents. And finally, we coordinate the factories, freight forwarders, and the customers, so you don't have to. One booking fee, one bill of loading fee, one delivery fee, one customer's fee, instead of paying for each separately. No need to over-order just to fill a container. Nice cash tied-up inventory, and a lot less paperwork and back and forth. If you are sourcing from multiple factories in China, don't keep paying for separate shipments. Follow us or reach out, and let us help you consolidate and ship smarter.